This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the file, look for codec, resolution, and bitrate so you know what you can improve. Once done, stabilize shaky clips with a 3-axis digital stabilizer or a small crop to remove jitter. This prevents softening later. Then make quick exposure fixes. Raise shadows, pull down highlights, and set white balance to remove color cast. These first actions rescue usable frames and create consistent input for the deeper corrections that follow. So begin here, not later. Now you move into detailed fixes that change perceived quality. Start with noise reduction. Apply temporal denoise across 3 frames first, then light spatial denoise at about 10 to 20% so fine detail stays. Once done, sharpen selectively with an edge mask. Avoid global sharpening or you'll create halos. Then color grade with lift, gamma, and gain controls, using the skin tone vector to keep faces natural. Make sure to render short tests at export settings to confirm improvements before full export. Finish by exporting with appropriate settings. H, 264 or H, 265, 2-passing code, and a target bitrate of roughly 8 to 15 Mbps for 1080p so you maintain detail. Once exported, re-import the clip to verify color, motion, and audio sync. This catches surprises. If you see blockiness or banding, raise bitrate or add subtle film grain at 1 to 2% to mask banding. If problems persist, revert to your stabilized intermediate and rerun denoise with slightly different strength.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.